Give him a kiss.
Smell like fish.
Who's the most handsome guy?
Wow.
There's a bald eagle on our deck.
I ain't doing nothing to you. Shit, I'm not doing anything to you but walking.
Kush, hey. Hey, no barking. Sit. Cushy. Jesus. Cushy. Shh. Quiet.
I gotta go home. I am not staying here.
Aurora, you sound like an angry Muppet. All right?
No, she's never bitten in her life. Some eagles can.
Yeah. She's
but
absolutely stunning. She's gorgeous.